and anyone who's worked in television knows the problems we all face anyway, of retakes and strange stuff, and obviously, ladies and gentlemen, we're all stuck in a format because the star has to answer certain questions. All of us have to do it. But we've been very lucky. India's full of second chances. So apparently Farah Khan was passing by, and we're trying this again. We're trying to get a good interview because this never went on air. So ladies and gentlemen, give her a round of applause for being so gracious. Farah Khan! Part 2. Farah, please. The bench, please.
Hello everybody. Sorry for this. You all had to watch Cyrus do this. No. Again, I have to sit on the bench with you.
Farah, just a few questions. We've got a sponsor now. We're doing very well.
Am I getting paid this time?
Well, in cuddles.
By you?
No, we've got a few people on standby. You can choose.
Them?
Could be, sir. Could be. Some of these cameras are not even loaded. Some of them are not even cameras. Someone's holding a hairdryer. But yeah. But Farah, can we do just 1 or 2 questions? That was the time.
Did you tell them that this episode was actually shot 3 years after Tismar Khan released?
It was. Yeah.
I'm still waiting for it to hit the 100 crore mark.
Yes. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Farah Khan on the bench. Farah, that was a long time ago. Happy New Year, just released. It's been one of the most successful films of the year.
God is great, yeah.
You are benevolent. It's all about the... See, what do you think? I'm getting better? Huh? So...
the citronella, petronella is helping you, huh?
But I told you we don't want to discuss that anymore. And even malaria is on the rise, so everyone should have their citronella shots, according to me.
Like this?
You could. Or you could just inhale it randomly. You could put it in a pressure cooker.
Or just be where there are no mosquitoes.
That would be a great idea.
Okay.
Anywhere out of Bombay. Farah, coming back, Happy New Year was a huge success. Everyone in India has seen your film.
It's still going on.
It's still happening. Sorry. Happy New Year is a huge success and is going to keep going on. Happy New Year is a great success. But what's interesting, Farah, is...
keep repeating every sentence 4 times, yeah?
Because in my head there are about 5 cameras, so I'm getting different angles.
They will all shoot you at the same time.
Okay,
they all shoot at the same time.
That's excellent to know.
Farah, you're really in trouble.
In trouble. Farah, we've got a very important question to ask you. Underneath the pressure of making a very successful film and the stars, it's exhausting. But filmmaking is a cathartic process. During the course of the film, I can understand it must be exhausting. You had so many things to do. So, somewhere other people have overlooked this, but I was going through your film and I realized that you obviously were using a wrong calendar. Because you released a birthday, yeah. Sonu Sood's birthday is a good day to read happy.
Okay, I'm definitely not making happy birthday. Move on to the next question.
All right, here's our bit. I just need to pull this out. We've got a sponsor. This is our sensational moment of the day, guys.
It's ulta, at least make it seedha.
It's Panchranga Matchboxes sponsors the bench.
It's Parachute Matchbox.
It is Parachute, that's right. Could you just, I have to ask you a few questions. This is our sensational segment. Apparently the news is just broken that you've been getting death threats from gangsters. Everybody knows about this.
Do you think it's funny?
Oh, no.
Do you think it's funny to have the underworld after you?
No, I believe that if the underworld was after you, why would you come here and put my life in danger, Farah? I mean, you could have called for this press conference.
Well, sir, the cops advised me to go somewhere where they think nobody will come and to be with people who don't think nobody will be around them. Which is why I'm here.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, a special moment. Farah Khan says, I saved her life. That will be tomorrow's headline, Farah. I'm excited about this. Plus, I'm Parsi. I cannot be touched. There are like 7 of us left. We're less than the tigers.
I'm half Parsi. You mean only half of you?
Yeah.
That was very obscene.
No, sorry about that. Anyway, Farah, we have our last segment. Last time we didn't have any money, so we couldn't release the show. But this time, if you could just do 4 or 5 selfies. I've heard you got a very big Twitter following. We need one happy shot and saying Parachute, one depressed one, and one just straight to camera.
I have to hold this matchbox.
Yeah, I wanted to, but I've got like 4 people on Twitter. and 3 are cousins.
Is this show sponsored?
Yeah, this is.
Are they paying for this
event?
this event?
Yes. So if you just do this, Farah, I've already told the sponsor that you will be doing.
4 dabbas of matches home.
Do you want me to pay you in matchboxes?
Obviously, you don't have any money, Cyrus, or you wouldn't be sitting here on this bench.
Farah, we'll finish the deal in 1.5 matchboxes.
What? How cheap are you? Yeah, 3.
3 and 3 tealies. 3 and 4 tealies. And I'll throw.
And then you can burn the citronella with this matchbox.
Please don't say that, Farah. But anyway, just.
Are they paying for the food also?
They are paying for the food, guys.
Oh, guys, there's food also.
There is food also. And thank you so much for being here, Farah. Just do me that one shot saying.
Parachute matchbox.
Body garam ho jaye.
Also helps in.
No, the tagline is parachute lagao, parachute ho jao. Thanks. What are you doing, Farah? Please don't do that. Okay. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's the first time we've had a really good interview, Farah, and I'm really excited about this. I'm excited about our future.
Are we done?
Yeah. Hey, Farah, I think you just
I
lisped.
need you.
I think
to
you
come
just
in
lisped
front
again.
of me while I make my exit.
No, don't make your exit, Farah. Come back. Where are you going? I'm not a human curtain.
I'm using you as a human shield.
My God. I think we'll have to check everybody. Some people don't look like reporters, especially this gentleman over here with the light beard.
There is one person there with specs. Definitely not a reporter.
So your zip is
Yes,
open.
Vikram, it's you.
Yeah. Could you stand up, sir?
See, he is not, because he's standing up and covering the camera behind him.
Yeah.
That was a trick question.
But I think he's a nice guy who just looks suspicious. You know, it's not his fault. Like, you just randomly get picked in a lineup.
And see, what is he doing?
Sir, this is what? Take a call. He's taking a call.
Taking out something.
Sir, किससे बात कर रहे हैं आप? Girlfriends. It's the middle of our show. It's going to be a hit.
That shows how much people are going to watch your show, Cyrus.
We have a hit. But ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. Thank you so much for being here, Farah. Thank you for shooting the bench with us. It was a lot of fun.
Don't say shooting.
Then what do I do?
There's a threat. Fool.
Yeah.
Don't use words like
that. I'm so sorry. That was the wrong use. Thank you for the shoot. Oh no.
You can't
oh,
say
no.
that.
Yeah. Shot? Oh no.
What is he doing?
Okay, guys, sorry about that. Anyway, Ria, hop over. And guys, thank you so much for turning up. That was the bench. Please share the news and enjoy yourself. Farah, thank you for being here. Ria, just stand right in front of Farah in an event of any drama.
So, anybody have any questions regarding the bench, regarding Humble Pie? We are open to it. But please share the episode and enjoy. There'll be a lot more coming. We're looking at shooting with Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Looking at shooting with Narendra Modi.
Yeah.
Namo's going to be on the bench.
Yeah. Don't use that word again and again, shooting. Because
yeah,
sorry, we're going to be capturing.
Capturing is the right word. But that's also a threat word. Capturing is...
We're going to think about Putin.
Yeah. So we've got quite a few people...
Filming. Say filming.
Filming. We're going to be filming with some super celebrities from around the world.
Why is he standing in the good light?
And we also do birthday parties. So if anyone's having those, you can call us. That'll be fun.
Yeah, the kids will really love this show. Like... My kids can't watch this show. Every word is a bleep word.
Farah, we're launching a musical version which just has beeps. It's like boop, 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 boop. It's like a nursery rhyme. Feel right.
Okay, that's it. Otherwise, Cyrus.
Okay. All right, I'm just going to go on.
Cool, guys. Thanks. Share the episode,
Thank you very
please.
much.
And let us know what you thought. We're open to your feedback.
Yeah. If you didn't like it, just eat the pie and go.
Yes. The bench. There is actually no parachute matches. Huh? It has been invented by Cyrus. I would still want 4 boxes of it.
Sending them over immediately. They light themselves up.
There is actually no parachute matches. Huh? It has been invented by Cyrus. I would still want 4 boxes of it.
Sending them over immediately. They light themselves up.
मुझे क्या कहना है, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही यूनिक शो है जो रिया कपूर, करण बुलानी और साइरस आफगान ने इजाज किया है, एंड इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट टू कम ऑन अ शो विच इज जहाँ पर कोई भी रूल्स ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ये शो टीवी पे आने वाला ही नहीं है, ये इंटरनेट के लिए है, तो आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज यूज कर लो, यू कैन से व्हाट यू वांट एंड कैन मेक फन ऑफ योर सेल्फ, जो मैं बहुत अच्छे से करती हूँ। तो इट वाज अ वेरी बहुत फ्री होकर ये शो हमने कि अपने आप पर मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, हमारी खुद की फिल्मों पर, हमारी चाइल्डहुड पर। सो आई रियली एंजॉयड, और जब मैंने शो एपिसोड एडिट होकर देखा भी, आई थॉट इट वाज रियली वेरी फनी।
कहीं ना कहीं बहुत टाइम पहले आपने शूट किया था कि इसलिए वो
ये एक्चुअली बहुत टाइम पहले शूट हुआ है, ये शो को शूट होकर 1.5 ईयर हो गए।
और कुछ याद है आपको कि इस शो में
हाँ
कि नेट पे
हाँ
कितनी गालियां आपने दी है, जैसे कि आपने
कितनी गालियां मैंने दी है, सॉरी, ये शो नेट के लिए है, तो डेफिनेटली जब मैंने देखा ये एपिसोड में, आई माई सेल्फ रियलाइज कि मेरी लैंग्वेज कितनी कलरफुल थी, और मैंने पहले पूछा कि बच्चे तो नहीं देख सकते, आई डोंट वांट माय चिल्ड्रन वाचिंग दिस, तो आई थिंक वो डेफिनेटली डालेंगे कि 18 के ऊपर ही ये शो आप देख सकते हो, बट देखना ज़रूर, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट्स द वे पीपल टॉक। मैं बहुत केयरफुल रहती हूँ अपनी लैंग्वेज को लेकर, जब मेरे बच्चे होते हैं या जब कोई बड़े होते हैं, या बट जब आप घर पे होते हैं और आप अपने दोस्तों से बात करते हैं, तो माशाअल्लाह है फिर मेरी लैंग्वेज, तो जैसे आपने देखा होगा। हाँ,
पर आप खुद एक होस्ट है, और साइरस की होस्टिंग कैसे लगी आपको?
साइरस बहुत ही मज़ेदार होस्ट है, वो बहुत अतरंगी होस्ट है वो, क्योंकि वो नॉर्मल सवाल पूछता ही नहीं है कभी, तो क्योंकि वो अजीब अजीब कुछ पूछता है, आपको ऑलवेज यू हैव टू बी क्विक के, नहीं तो क्या है हर बार वही सेम सवाल हम भी यूज टू हो गए हैं वो जवाब दे दे के, तो बिकॉज ही आस्क्ड सच वैकी क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू कम अप विद सम वैकी आंसर, इनको पूछने तो बहुत दुखी लग रहे हैं।
पर हाँ, अभी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर इतने अच्छे परफॉर्म किए,
हाँ जी, थैंक यू।
सेलिब्रेट करने वाला है, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे कि और कितने 500 करोड़ तक का
नहीं यार, ये सब करोड़ ये आजकल सब करोड़ों का, मेरी माँ भी मुझे रोज फोन करके पूछती है, अरे कितने करोड़ हो गए, ऐसे मम्मी आपको थोड़ी मिलने वाले हैं, आप चुप बैठो, बट आई थिंक 200 करोड़ क्रॉस कर चुकी है पिछले हफ्ते, एंड आई थिंक ये बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, नॉट ओनली फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, बट आई थिंक एज अ वुमेन डायरेक्टर, द फर्स्ट वुमेन डायरेक्टर हु cross that 100 crore club, 200 crore club, and I think it will help other women directors in the future जब उन्हें फिल्म बनानी होगी, ये डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा कि कमर्शियल फिल्म पैसे जो कमाती हैं फिल्म वो भी बना सकती हैं, आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड साइन।
सिनेमा की बात हो रही है, वो एक अलग सिनेमा भी अभी आया है, गरम हवा।
हाँ जी,
क्लासी मूवी है, it's been released
no
back.
I know गरम हवा very well, I've seen it as a child, क्योंकि MS सत्यू हमारे नेबर थे, हम सेम बिल्डिंग में रहते थे, नेहरू नगर सोसाइटी में, हम तो सत्यू अंकल हमें ऑफकोर्स हम बहुत छोटे थे तभी, बट इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, मैंने बचपन में देखी है, तभी शायद मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आई, बट उसमें एक मोमेंट था जब वो कबूतर, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट एज अ चाइल्ड, आई सॉ इट ऑन दूरदर्शन, it's one of the most beautiful movies and I'm so happy that they have re-released it because it is a classic, no doubt.
मैम आपको अंडरवर्ल्ड से कुछ धमकी मिली है, तो उस टाइम पे आपका रिएक्शन क्या था?
देखिए, मुझे एक्चुअली ये मैं कहना चाहूँगी, मुझे पर्सनली कभी कोई धमकी मिली नहीं, जब मैंने पेपर में पढ़ा कि मेरा नाम भी उनके पास था, और तो मुझे भी शॉक हुआ इसमें, ये लाइटली लेने की कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि आई जस्ट फील के एज अ मदर आई गेट वरीड बिकॉज आई हैव चिल्ड्रन, अगर मैं सिंगल होती और मेरी ऐसे जैसे मैं पहले थी 10 साल पहले, आई वुड प्रॉबली नॉट गेट वरीड, अभी भी मैं खुद पे वरी नहीं लेती हूँ, मैं आज भी यहाँ आई हूँ विदाउट सिक्योरिटी आई हूँ, अपने जैसे मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रही हूँ वैसे ही करती हूँ, लेकिन व्हेन यू हैव किड्स हमेशा एक फियर रहता है, एंड आई वुड से दैट वो जो लोग ये धमकियाँ करते हैं या थ्रेट करते हैं, उनकी भी मदर्स होंगी, उनकी भी डॉटर्स होंगी, उनकी भी सिस्टर्स होंगी, तो उन्हें एक बार सोचना चाहिए ये काम करने से पहले। हैविंग सेड दैट, दैट्स व्हाट द पुलिस इज completely looking after it, they are doing a fabulous job, and they have assured me that there is nothing to worry about.
DDLJ का लास्ट क्वेश्चन
नहीं है, इसके बाद एक क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा।
1000 वीक्स जो है वो पूरे कर रहे हैं,
हाँ।
तो आप किस तरह से उसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? इतनी माइलस्टोन मूवी है, लेकिन इसमें जो है वो एक अलग मूवी है, किस तरह से अलग है?
I think
which is also going to the Oscars library.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
हाँ, happy which say one question, which one? हाँ,
DDLJ
हाँ, नहीं एक तो that are two completely different things.
हाँ, DDLJ के बारे में बताइए कि 20 साल
आई थिंक DDLJ मेरे लिए बहुत ही सेंटिमेंटल रीजंस के लिए मैंने एक गाना किया था, उसमें रुक जाए दिल दीवाने, जो अभी तक लोगों को याद है। एंड आई थिंक हर फिल्म मेकर हमेशा उनका ड्रीम होता है कि हमारी फिल्म 100 हफ्ते चले या 200 हफ्ते चले, एंड दिलवाले इज अ मूवी दैट हैज रन फॉर 1000 वीक्स. So all, I mean, hats off to the entire team, Adi Chopra, for making a movie like this. And I think शाहरुख और काजल जो पूरे एक उस टाइम से लेकर अभी तक जनरेशन्स के लिए जो एक क्विंटेसेंशियल लव स्टोरी जो होती है, जो आप चाहते हो कि मेरी लव स्टोरी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, वैसी फिल्म है वो.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
हाँ, ऑस्कर लाइब्रेरी में बोल दे. हाँ बोलिए. आई थिंक ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है. जैसे हमें सडनली एक ईमेल आया ऑस्कर लाइब्रेरी से कि उनको हमारी स्क्रिप्ट उनके आर्काइव्स में रखनी है. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस थिंग एंड वी वर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. वेदर पीपल आर हैप्पी अबाउट इट और नॉट, वी डोंट केयर, वी वर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी अबाउट इट. अब हम माराकेश फिल्म फेस्टिवल के लिए भी हमारी फिल्म चूज हुई है टू बी शोकेस्ड इन द प्लाजा. एंड आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट कि जब बाहर वाले भी आपको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. आई थिंक समटाइम दे अप्रिशिएट इट मोर देन द पीपल हु आर हियर. दे एक्चुअली गेट द बॉलीवुड फिल्म क्या होती है, उनको ज्यादा समझ है. हमारे में इट्स इन थिंग टू रन इट डाउन. ओ बॉलीवुड फिल्म है, एंटरटेनिंग है तो अच्छी नहीं होगी. कैसे अच्छी नहीं होगी, इतने चल रही है, लोगों को पसंद आ रही है.
थैंक यू.
ओके, थैंक यू.